Hey everyone, I'm Elaine Thompson.
The now irrepressible Elaine Thompson Herah.
Welcome to my channel. I am Emma Morrison, and in this video I'll be sharing with you 8 tips for success by Elaine Thompson Herah. Elaine Thompson Herah is from Jamaica and has been one of the world's greatest sprinters. In 2016, she was a double Olympic champion in both the 100 and the 200 meters. In 2017, she was the world fastest in the 100 meters, and ever since the Rio Olympics some 5 years ago, she has managed to run well under 11 seconds during each of her previous seasons. Elaine Thompson Herah's status as one of the world's greatest sprinters is certainly well deserved. However, the single greatest performance of her career came in 2021 Olympics final when she placed first in the Tokyo Games with an earth-shattering time of 10.61 seconds. This single achievement was beyond words. So without further ado, let's get right into this video.
I was amongst a lot of stars at MVP and I was like, okay, everybody, I see everybody working, training hard. So I guess that environment, I adapt and it changes. So
how did that feel knowing what your high school track career was like? And you know, you're amongst all of these world champions and Olympic champions.
I wasn't intimidated, and because of that, it's not like I was a superstar coming out of high school or from champs. Remember, I didn't have a fast PB of 100 or 200, so I'm no competition to anybody. So I was probably a little underdog training and just being around all those stars. And I think being around them motivates me to just don't want to be one of those person, and it works out so quick. I didn't ever see that coming. 2014, I made my first senior team, but it wasn't a big team. It was the CSC in Mexico. That year I was coming out of my comfort zone because I was just a casual runner. I have no aggression whatsoever. Stephen Francis always pulled me aside and say, "Are you afraid to skin up your face? When nobody see a skin up your teeth?" I said, "No, coach, but I saw me run." It's like he plunged that out of me. Aggression. I was just so smooth, relaxing. And I tried it. When I tried it, I realized I'm getting PBs, I'm getting better, I'm getting quicker. I was like, okay, I guess I was just too soft.
Yeah.
It's like he wanted me to be more aggressive. And I tried that. I guess it works. And I made my first senior team. The other year I came back, I get a huge PB. I started to go on scenes, Diamond Leagues, and I won my first national title at the national trials. I was saying, okay, I'm a good listener, I'm a good instruction follower. I like to follow instruction. So told me to jump, I try to go very high. You may not give me a height, but I try to do that. And I think that's the reason why I'm so successful, because I like to listen, I like to follow instruction. When I came back 2016, and I captured gold at Olympics, and asked me how that happened. I don't know, because I was so doubtful, I was injured. So I was all over the place, I was so happy. I don't know how that happened because I was so doubtful. I was like, honestly, I don't know what's going to happen. I was going to do my best.
Yeah.
And that's what happened.
Well, girl, not only did you do your best, you said, let me just get this gold medal.
That night, I did not sleep after the 100 meters, and I have 200 meters the following day. Even though we get that day to rest, but we have 200 meters. So I had to get some sleep to go for the 200. And I still had doubts for the 200 because my main rival is from Netherlands, which is the girl that beat me the year before.
That's right.
So I had to come out super flying. So my coach said, just stick with her, don't try to beat her. I said to myself, but I'm going to get a bad lane. For 200, they want a good lane.
Of course.
I came second behind my rival. That means I'm going to get a bad lane. And he said, don't worry about that lane. I came back at the track for the finals, and he gave me one instruction. Last night 200 was really good, but you're going to go very hard at this time. Get off of the curve first and hold it straight through. I knew I had to do that because she's a strong finisher. So I had to do that.
Yeah.
I have to leave her. And when I saw the lane draw, I was in lane 6. she was in lane 5 behind me, so I had to do that. I didn't really want her behind me, but I think that makes me even go faster because if probably she was in front of me, I'd probably panic and measure. So I had to do that. And I just followed the instruction and I felt her at the finish, but I had to hold on to that because flashback of 2015 when she caught me at the line is a flashback in that race.
Yes.
You have to hold on to this one. And I did that, and I honestly, Andy, I bus. But I'm across the line.
Mash
up, me give everything, I couldn't move.
Nothing leave.
Somebody threw the flag in me, I couldn't even catch it. Like, I was on the ground like for a good 10 minutes, I was rolling. I was like, I give it everything. At the moment at a championship, you want to go on the social media, you want to go, but you have to hold off.
You have to hold it. You have to
because
hold
they cannot be distracted from those stuff.
Yeah.
I get so much message I could not respond to all.
Yes.
I go on Facebook, it's just a race I'm seeing. I go on Instagram, it's a race I'm seeing. Everybody, I get so much followers.
Yes.
Honestly, I feel like star. What may I say? I have to focus on the 4x1. When I'm finished, I do all the palaver and the laugh. And you know, like, but when they announce that I'm the first Jamaican woman to break that 28 record history, I was like, oh my God, did I just do that? I was so happy I could not even... People are, oh you feel, I don't know how I feel because I've done something I've never done before.
Yes, yes. But Elaine, let me ask you a big and serious question now. What many people may not know about you is that you are a girly girl.
Right.
You like
you
to
want
get
to dress
dolled
up.
up.
Right.
So contrary to your profession, you actually are a whole glamour pose.
So and then because I had made so much sacrifices, I don't really go out a lot, I don't party, I don't drink, so I said, God, why this injury? Because I'm not a person who is all over the place. I go here, I go there. I'm just about doing the job that you blessed me with. And this injury just have me up and down, up and down. I've been to so much doctors, I've done a lot of stuff, rehab, treatment, and nothing seems to work. So I'm just working through whatever I can do to manage this foot at this time. So people don't really know the lifestyle that we're living. Oh, it's just a normal, just a one race when you win. There are a lot of things come behind that. So my sacrifices, sleepless night, because some nights you're maybe too tired to sleep. Sometimes you can't be heat, you're sick. Because if I have flu, I can't go to the pharmacy and get a cetamol or a Teraflu or garlic rum or honey.
Right. It really changes your
everything has changed, right? So, but I think I adjust. I think I adjust to the whole track life experience.
Yeah. What is the ultimate goal and vision that Elaine has for herself?
It's to always stay humble and blessed because I'm a little country girl growing up. I was not out of a big family or a big house or wealthy family. So the goal is for me to just continue to work hard to help my family and my friends and stay humble. So to wake up 4 o'clock in the morning to go to practice is almost like you're going to catch your flight.
Right.
You can't be late.
Right.
So mentally, and the track and field, it prepares you for a lot of stuff, how to manage negativity, how to manage success, how to manage people coming around. Like it preps you for everything because remember, when you're down, you don't have any friends.
Girl.
And the moment you start to climb the ladder, you find a lot of people started to come in. So I think that helps you to see where you're coming from to where you're going. Yes. Because I remember when I was that slow girl, I didn't have a lot of friends. And the moment you start to climb the ladder, you started to get more friends. Yes. So I think this work that I do show me who is a friend and who's not a friend. Always be hungry.
Ooh. Tell me more about always be hungry.
Meaning, you're doing this because of this whole pandemic thing. If you weren't hungry for doing something, you would not be doing this. If I wasn't hungry for doing better, getting better, I wouldn't be still doing track because of the injury. I would probably stop because frustration, me can't, but I'm done. I'm still hungry for something. Yes. Something still is out there for me. So always be hungry because something is always bigger and better out there for you.